Hello viewers, and welcome to Smart Racer channel.
Welcome viewers to a new video. It's a thrilling day at the racetrack. A new challenger is entering the arena, the sleek and agile Smart Roadster, ready to tackle its first track day. The Grobnik circuit is located in Croatia and is known for its fast and flowing layout, with long straightaways and technical corners that demand the utmost skill from drivers. With a length of just over 4 kilometers, this circuit is the perfect place for drivers to push their limits and test their skills. And with its challenging layout, the Grobnik circuit is a favorite among motorsports enthusiasts. From touring cars to sports cars, and even motorcycles, this track has seen some of the most thrilling and intense races in recent history. And with its close proximity to the Adriatic coast, it's not just the racing that draws people here, the scenery is simply breathtaking. Before hitting the track, it's important to make sure everything is in order. I start by checking oil level, which is perfect, and there are no leaks. Next, I move to the tires. The tire pressure is at the recommended level and the tread depth is sufficient for high-performance driving. The brake pads and rotors are in good condition and the brake fluid is at the correct level. Time to move on to the suspension. The suspension components are in good condition and fully stock. The coolant level is perfect and the radiator and hoses are in good condition. I fill up high-octane fuel to ensure consistent performance on the track. With everything checked and in order, I put on my helmet and hit the track. The Smart Roadster is ready to show its speed and performance. Just before our event, it was one for experienced drivers on track. Our event was called Rookie Track Day, and it was meant for all beginners. There were around 30 cars in this group, including some pretty fast cars like Porsche GT3 or Mercedes-AMG GT. Before the initial track day, we had a short briefing about the track and rules, but also about driving, like when to brake, which upgrades we can do in order to have a better time, and etc. The price for an event like this is €200 and it lasts for 2 hours. After the briefing, it was time to start up the engines and proceed to track through the garage. The initial lineup of all cars took 5 minutes, and we did a group photo, which you will see at the end of the video. We were lined up in 3 groups and did 3 laps with instructors to get familiar with the track and warm up the car. After 3 laps, we were free to go full throttle and divide from each other. I thought that Smart will be the slowest, but there were cars like Twingo and Punto. Here you can see one of my laps. Best time that I made was 2 minutes and 16 seconds. total I did 2 pit stops in order to cool down the car but also to check tire pressure and if everything else is okay. I drove in total 1.5 hours on track without any overheating. Please note that I didn't push the car 100% because it was the first time for me but also for the car, which had at that moment a brand new clutch, new chain and belts. Events like this are great because you improve yourself as a driver but also learn how your car behaves when you are looking for the limits. On another side, I believe that Smart can be even more fun to drive here with some good coilovers and remap. Here you can see tires at the end of the track day and also fuel consumption, which is a little over 8 liters. Overall, I am satisfied with the event and the car. Looking forward to coming again and suggesting to you try it with your Roadster. Here are some pictures taken during a track day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your thoughts about hitting track day with Roadster. Have you done it already or have it in plan? Until next time, drive safe and keep smiling.